Welcome to the 5th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at the right balance when it comes to immigration, the pros and cons of migration to the UK and the challenge for people who move here. The economy is made up of all the organisations that provide goods and services, and all the individual organisations that buy them. An entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business and takes on financial risks in the hope of making a profit. Diversity is the range of different groups that make up a wider population. Integration means bringing different groups of people together in society. Immigrants in the UK have given us all sorts of benefits as they have widened our experiences, from food to clothes and entertainment. Many people welcome this diversity. They also help the economy. Immigrant workers fill skill gaps and do jobs British workers do not want. Local economies benefit because migrants can have different skills or experience that could lead to new businesses being set up. They tend to be more entrepreneurial. Immigrants also help local businesses because of their links with their home country. Some people fear that people moving from different countries might change their community. The musician Morrissey was critical of immigration in the UK because he said it meant that the country was losing its identity. Some people also might worry that new people might threaten their ability to get a job or might work for less, which would lower their pay. However, there is evidence that immigrants take jobs that people from the UK do not want. People from EU countries may come here to pick fruit, for example, because farmers can't find enough people here to give jobs to. News reports from October 2019 said that lots of fruit grown in the UK was left to rot because fewer people were moving to the UK from EU countries because of fears over Brexit. People in the UK didn't want the jobs of picking fruit. There are several benefits and challenges of migration. For example, migrants can help the economy to grow by working and paying tax. However, population growth puts extra demands on housing, healthcare and education. Have a look at other examples of pros and cons from the table. As people from different countries have come to live in the UK, the government has tried to help everyone live together while maintaining their individual identities. Some people feel integration means that ethnic groups will lose their identities. Others feel that integration will help them to be more successful members of UK society. The government wants to control the number of migrants and the rules to move here are becoming stricter. A points-based scheme has been set up to work out whether an individual can work in the UK. People get points for their skills, whether they're an entrepreneur with money to invest and if they have been to university in the UK. In the exam, you might be asked to explain the benefits or challenges of migration in the UK.
We go together like Rama, Rama, Rama,